hear me?
Yes.
Okay. My homework was to tell the difference between Agile and Scrum project management. So first, what is Agile project management? It is a project framework that takes an iterative approach towards the accomplishment of a task. The main goal of Agile is to create early and measurable returns on the investment through defined delivery of project features. So in sum, it means that we deliver a simple version of the project to the client, then take feedback, go back, make improvements as the client comments, and again, deliver. Whereas Scrum project management, it is a specific methodology from the start to the end of the project on how you should manage a project. It provides a detailed process for how to do the job, who will do the job, how it will be done, and when it will be completed. So basically, the main differences between Agile and Scrum based on each parameter. In terms of definition, the Agile takes an iterative approach, as I said before, to accomplish the task and the project, whereas Scrum, it's a specific methodology from the start to the end on how a project should be managed. In principles, in Agile, the customer satisfaction is priority. We welcome the change, we deliver frequently, and we do continuous development. Whereas in Scrum, it's more self-organization, collaboration, value-based prioritization. The tasks are completed in sprints within specific time limits. When it comes to Agile, there are priorities in what order the team will do the work on the project requirements, whereas in Scrum, it's value-based prioritization. The customer satisfaction, it focuses always on satisfying the customer by providing continuous delivery, while in Scrum, the deliverables are after each sprint for the client feedback. In methodology, as we said, Agile is iterative approach. The Scrum, it's incremental tasks that are delivered every 2 to 3 weeks. In collaboration in Agile, there's collaboration between the members of various cross-functional teams, whereas in Scrum, there are daily sprint meetings.
Cool. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ms. Dareen. Guys, for the summary of the Agile versus other environments, Agile is the big umbrella, the big concept for all of those environments that we are discussing. Either Scrum, Scrum of Scrums, Extreme Programming, Crystal, Nexus, Less, Safe, Kanban, all of them are coming below Agile. Like for example, let's say that you are an architect and you are working within a design firm. The design methodology is the big umbrella. You are using maybe manual sketching, you are using Autodesk Revit, Autodesk 3ds Max, CAD, Lumion, whatever program that you want. The process will different, or the steps that you're using will be different between programs. At the end of the day, you are working within the umbrella of the architectural design, or maybe CG, computer graphics generated, using whatever software that you want. Cool? Great. So guys, I think we are done for today. Please, for the next week, the guys who did not present their presentations for the other environments of Agile, please make sure that you present next week at the beginning of the class. Any questions?